Blessed Maride St. Peter. A twofold purpose of reparation for blasphemy and reparation for the profanation of Sundays and holy days of obligation. Ito meron daw twofold purpose, may dalawang purpose. Reparation for the blasphemy at reparation for the profanation of Sundays. Kasi, di ba yung pag Sundays, nagtatrabaho pa rin tayo na hindi nagbabago ang utos ng ating Panginoon na ang Sundays at ang holy days of obligation ay keep holy. Hanggat maaari, iwasan natin ang pagtatrabaho ng linggo at mga pistang pangingin. Each day,